I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter protein shake step by step. Blend liquids first to protect your blades, then add powders, nut butter, and ice last to avoid clumps. I will walk you through ingredient swaps, texture adjustments, and simple tweaks to boost calories or cut sugar while keeping great flavor and creamy mouthfeel throughout the process. In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter protein shake step by step. Start by choosing your base liquid and protein type, then measure peanut butter and sweeteners. I describe how each ingredient affects texture and macros, suggest lower sugar options, and explain when to add extras like oats or spinach for fiber. Follow my pacing to build a shake that meets your goals and tastes great. In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter protein shake step by step. Pour liquids first, add protein and peanut butter, then blend thoroughly until smooth and creamy. I guide you through blending times and troubleshooting common problems like grittiness or separation, and show quick fixes such as adding more liquid, blending longer, or using a spatula to reincorporate ingredients for the perfect sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.